Now in the previous video we have seen that how we can write our custom function before the loop function. But now we will see that how we can write our custom function after the loop function. As we have studied, there are two places where we can declare the function. So for that, if we remove this piece of code, the function custom function code over here, and let's paste it after the loop function. Let's save this. So over here we have moved our function declaration after the loop function, and if we do in this way, then we have to add another line in the start of the code that will be exactly the same as our this line till the round bracket. So let's paste the same line over here, and at the end you will add semicolon. So this line on the very start is called the function prototype. So in the second case, when we have our sum function declared after the loop function, then we have to write the function prototype of that same function. So this line is called the function prototype. So let's stop the simulation. Let's run this again. So when you run this, it will exactly output the same result as we have seen in our previous video when this custom function was declared on the before the loop function. So hopefully you have understood the two different methods to declare your custom function in Arduino, in the Arduino sketch file.